Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell.
Xiaomi 14 Ultra vs Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the ultimate showdown, and this is a head-to-head comparison of two smartphone titans, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're in the market for a new phone, you won't want to miss this detailed breakdown. Display: the Xiaomi 14 Ultra boasts a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED screen, with a stunning resolution and a pixel density of 522 ppi. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra isn't far behind with its 6.8-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, offering a slightly lower pixel density of 505 ppi. Both provide an immersive viewing experience, but the Xiaomi might just edge it out for the sharpest image. Performance: under the hood, both phones pack a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra offers a choice between 12GB and 16GB of RAM, while the Samsung sticks with a solid 12GB. It's a tie on performance, but the extra RAM option on the Xiaomi could be a game changer for power users. Camera capabilities are crucial, and here's where things heat up. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra features a 50MP main camera, complemented by multiple 50MP sensors for ultra-wide and telephoto shots. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra steps it up with a 200MP main camera, supported by a 12MP ultra-wide and two telephoto lenses at 50MP and 10MP. For photography enthusiasts, the Samsung might just have the upper hand. Battery life is key for any user, and both phones deliver with a 5000 mAh battery. However, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra supports faster wired and wireless charging, which could be the deciding factor for those always on the go. Software: on the software front, both devices run Android 14, with the Xiaomi on HyperOS and the Samsung on One UI 6.1. It's a matter of preference here, as both offer smooth and intuitive user experiences. Pricing: when it comes to pricing, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is tagged at approximately £1,299, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,199. Your choice might come down to budget and brand loyalty. So, which is the ultimate smartphone champion, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra with its sharper display and faster charging, or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra with its superior camera setup and brand prestige? The decision is yours. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.